In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel Godaddy subscription. If you want to stop a Godaddy product from renewing, the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through the cancellation process clearly so you can complete it without confusion. First, go to the Godaddy Renewals and Billing page. This is the section of your account where you can manage active products, services, and subscription renewals. If you are not already signed in, log into your Godaddy account so you can access your billing settings and product list. Once you are on the Renewals and Billing page, look through the list of products and subscriptions connected to your account. Find the specific item you want to cancel. When you see it, check the box next to that product or subscription. This tells Godaddy which service you want to manage, so make sure you select the correct one before moving forward. After selecting the product, go to the top of the page and click Cancel Renewal. This option stops the subscription from renewing in the future. In some cases, you may be guided to a confirmation screen that gives you more details about what happens when the renewal is canceled. Read the information carefully so you understand whether you are only stopping future billing or removing access to the product. Next, click Delete Product. This is the action that moves the cancellation forward. Depending on the type of subscription, Godaddy may show a final confirmation page before the product is fully removed from your account. This is normal, so just follow the prompts on the screen. At the final step, check the box to acknowledge the terms. This usually confirms that you understand the consequences of canceling, such as losing access to the product or related services. After that, click Send Email, or if you see a different button, click Delete Product to complete the cancellation. Once this is done, your cancellation request will be submitted. It is a good idea to watch for a confirmation message on screen or a confirmation email from Godaddy so you know the change has been processed successfully. If you are canceling multiple subscriptions, you may need to repeat the same process for each one separately. That covers everything you need to know.